All right, you guys, how do dropshippers make money? First of all, you gotta find the right product. That's number one. That could be a sports bra. That could be an iPhone case. That could be a black mask. It could be something beauty, fitness, cosmetics, jewelry, something cool. One of my first hot products that I became super successful with was a heart ring, guys, a simple heart ring. So it could be anything for you, but that's what we help you find. So first off, it starts with a hot product. Second, guys, it starts with a great ad. You need an awesome ad. So let me give you an example. There's a sunflower necklace, right? People made millions with that necklace. Well, it has a great ad. It's got music, You Are My Sunshine. It makes people feel the emotions. That necklace has sold millions of dollars, guys. The sunflower necklace, the sunflower earrings. So it came with a great ad. The next thing you need to think about is inventory. Are you gonna be doing drop shipping? You know, and sending the products from China to someone's house, it takes about a week and a half, or are you going to be doing inventory here in the United States? And that seems to be what my students have succeeded the most with, guys, is bringing over some inventory, testing it first, bringing it over and shipping it from your house here in the United States. So guys, those are the three things. How do drop shippers make money? Find the right product, right? Have an amazing ad. And then figure out what you're gonna do, whether you're gonna ship it from China, 1.5 week delivery, or you're gonna have it delivered to your house and ship it from your house and get really good low cost with higher bulk orders. It's up to you guys. I wanna see you win. Scott Raley here. If you guys have any questions when it comes to drop shipping, finding the right product, branding, ideas, you know, conversion rates, all of that stuff, hit the like, guys. Comment below. Let's talk. Scott Raley here. Peace.